Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I'm at Wiley Park. I'm going to film a few trains for my loyal viewers, as well as give you an update on the Sydney Metro Southwest project here at Wiley Park and give you guys a tour on all the changes that's made since I was here last. Anyway viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Anyway first, looks like Wiley Park has now got lifts for both platforms and ready for the forthcoming Sydney Metro operations. Give you a slight pan of the area. Anyway viewers, this is the customer information help point for the Sydney Metro. Anyway viewers, earlier in the week, the Premier for New South Wales, Chris Minns, and his Transport Minister, Joe Halen, have given the green light for the Sydenham to Bankstown section of the Sydney Metro City and Southwest to proceed. Following last year's industrial action and the great lockdown from 2 years ago caused these delays. Well, if these delays associated with the project didn't happen, this station would have been closed by now. Well, unfortunately, this time next year, the Sydenham to Bankstown section of the Bankstown line will close to heavy rail operations for about 12 months to allow the Sydney Metro conversion works to be finished, which will take 12 months to complete. And by late 2025, we'll see Alstom Metropolis trains from Talawan travel through here, heading to Bankstown, finally. Anyway, viewers, that is all for this episode of Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm going to wrap up the episode. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Don't forget to give a video the thumbs up, subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs, and favourite the video. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you next time. Until we meet again, it's goodbye for now.